another early morning. It's Sunday the 14th of December and we're having a big trip today to the waterfalls.
Put it underneath. That's okay. Is that a bed?
Beautiful. The whole of Subcount Central.
Alright. Great.
Natasha, you're walking barefoot.
Yeah.
Can you wave?
Such a hippie.
Can you wave, Fred?
Can't do it.
Alright, I've got my stick.
No, Romeo, I don't like to catch you. I don't like
I want to.
Isn't it lovely?
No.
Such a crime, 'cause we're in our prime. You will be alright when the stars align, 'cause you are mine and you satisfy me, and you satisfy me, and you satisfy me.
Yeah. Starting, Fred is taking a picture. Fred is taking a picture. Hey, Alice, how are you feeling about this all?
I'm feeling amazing.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm great.
Oh, man, oh. I'm scared of getting up. You ain't seen the water. I got my camera. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. I saw you doing king throw. No, with you.
I got that on camera. How's your day going, Fred? Nice. What did you tell me?
I want to try the back and touch you.
What touched me?
The wave.
The wave.
Yeah, just that.
I think there's a little crocodile.
We'll be just fine in the summertime, and it's such a crime.